Yeah.
One day every week, Sean Kinney is changing laundry loads,
So they want their laundry back the same day.
packing supply bags,
If I pack the bags and have them all ready, then that's something the nurses don't have to do.
and popping into rooms to visit blood cancer patients at Presbyterian St. Luke's Medical Center in Denver.
I had a friend here 10 years ago on this exact floor, and she had leukemia. So she was from out of town, and her family couldn't visit her all the time. So I used to come down and walk the halls with her. And
Kinney started volunteering at PSL this spring.
I just told myself when I retired that might be something that I would be interested in volunteering. And so here I am.
Prior to the pandemic, I think our volunteers did a lot of little tasks for the nurses, and they still do a lot of that for us. But I think there's more of a focus now on really caring for the patients and providing support for them.
A huge help to the already strained nurses who are daily trying to pour from a nearly empty cup.
We would love to be able to take the time to sit with our patients more often, but just given the facts of this job and the tasks that are given to us, we just don't always have that time.
You've heard of rounds for doctors or nurses? Well, PSL volunteers have their own version. It's called comfort rounds.
Some people have really great news, and you're joyful with them. Some people have bad news, and you cry right along with them. And I think that takes a toll on the nurses.
Sean signed up to help patients, but more than ever, volunteers are helping the healthcare teams.
If the volunteers can take some of that emotional part away and help out in that regard, I think it's great.
Jennifer Meckles, 9 News.
PSL had about 400 volunteers before the pandemic, and its restrictions forced them to pause that program. They restarted in the spring. They've got about 100 people on board now. She mentioned those folks are not working on the COVID floors. They're working in other places throughout the hospital.